My name is Gregory Liggs, and I'm a KAGED athlete. I've been playing football since I was about 6 years old. Being around sports, watching it, playing it has always been a part of my life. Before I got here, I was never one of those guys who took a lot of pre-workout, too much protein before or after the lift. KAGED is preparing us before our lift, during our lift, and after our lift. So this is just adding that to the next level of my game. KAGED has made me feel great, gives me energy, endurance, and allow me to make it through our lifts, our workouts, our transitional movements in the morning. So far it's been great. I'm in the grind stage of this process, trying to make my dreams come true. Fortunate enough to be here at Test, partnered with KAGED, just so I can perform the best on my pro day.